Cool. Well, freezing for free blizzards. Reagan Corpy camped out overnight in Boone in this cold weather that we're experiencing to win a year's worth of free Dairy Queen. To celebrate the grand reopening, the DQ gave away a year's worth of blizzards to the first 50 customers who bought an ice cream cake. Reagan is like the Dairy Queen herself, and she made sure she was the first in line. Her dedication really paid off too. She secured her year's worth of free ice cream at 10:30 this morning, and when asked if it was worth it, she of course said yes. I'm told she started out in a tank top because it was kind of warm yesterday evening. And then as the night went on and we crept into the morning, she had to keep on adding the layers. And yeah, it was a cold night to camp out for ice cream.
It certainly was, but I guess it was worth it. You
Yeah.
know, if you love the ice cream, it's going to be cold here for the next few days, though. 20s today, and then we fall off into the teens by the time we get to Saturday. Could have a few snow showers.
It doesn't matter what the temperature is. Ice cream is always the answer. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you back here at 4.